Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change keyboard shortcuts in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Filmora application on your PC. So it is pretty simple, but if you do not know how to do that, you can go to our channel where we have plenty of those things. Now when we did that guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So first of all, we have the files here, the edit, we have the tools, view, export, and the help center. Also, we have the media, audio, we have the titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change keyboard shortcuts in Filmora. It is pretty simple guys, you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, go to File, as we are here in the file, then go to Keyboard Shortcuts, which are here as you can see, or you can just go and click Ctrl, Alt plus K button. This will pop out, and here guys you have all the shortcuts where you can go and change them. So new project is Ctrl. Here we have for files, for edits, for tools, for views, for markers, and for miscellaneous here. So basically everything is here in one place. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow the channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope, as I said, that you enjoyed this video. And as always, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.